today's brunch. So before I go and get dressed and stuff, I figured that I'll come to y'all and let y'all know what I put inside of their bridesmaid proposal boxes. Everything that you see, I basically made or customized with my Cricut. If you want to see a video on that, let me know. But yeah, so obviously they've gotten their boxes by now, so I'm able to show y'all. Yes, I have 11 bridesmaids, 1 maid of honor, 1 matron of honor, and 9 regular bridesmaids, but I love each of them all the same. So before we get into the box, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below, and turn on your post notifications. I don't want you guys to miss out. So yeah, make sure you turn on your post notifications. I'm gonna show y'all my last box that I have to decorate. This is my maid of honors box. Everybody basically has the same thing. I just did 2 or more different things for my matron of honor and my maid of honor. That's why their name is in red and they have a gold bow, and everybody else's name is in gold and they have a red bow. So yeah, I got this box from Hobby Lobby. They were regular $4.99, but with the coupon I got them, it was like half off, so I got them for $2.99. If you are doing this yourself, make sure that you're getting, like, you're planning ahead and getting them with the coupons, because I bought all this stuff like months ago, but I was picking up little things one by one until I got everything I needed. So just, you know, don't try to go buy it all at one time, because you'll end up paying more than what you actually need to. Just try to find the sales, keep watching the papers, watching the coupons, and if you see something that you like and it's on sale, go ahead and get it. If not, then, you know, just keep watching it till it goes on sale. They also sell these type of boxes at Walmart, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, like basically any fabric store. This was a picture scrapbook box, but they also have like shoe boxes and stuff like that. And everything that you see that has like their names on it and stuff, I basically did myself as far as customizing it. But anyway, so I got this for $2.99 or $2.49 or something like that, and I put her name on it using my Cricut. My Cricut is the best thing that I've ever invested in. If you don't have one, I highly suggest that you get one, especially if you are planning a wedding, having a baby, or any other major event like that, because literally you'll come out saving doing it yourself than you would paying somebody, because you can find these boxes already made on Etsy or Amazon or even other websites, and they charge like $40 something to $50 something, and I probably paid maybe roughly between $20 to $25 per box, maybe. I'm not sure, but I'm saying that it's definitely not more than 25. But anyways, back to the box. So yeah, I added her name to it because she is my maid of honor. I wanted to make her box stand out different than the bridesmaids, so I put her name in the burgundy color, and I'll be wrapping it in the gold ribbon, just like I did my matron of honors box, but everybody else has gold writing with the burgundy ribbon. So yeah, once they open it, there will be a letter addressed to them. Again, I used the Cricut to put their names on it. If you want to see the tutorial on how I did the Cricut, I have extra supplies left over. So if you want to see how I did the envelope, if you want to see how I did the box, or anything else that's in the box, just let me know in the comments below. So yeah, once they open it, they have their letter to them, basically telling them how much I love them and asking them to be their bridesmaid, or asking them to be my bridesmaid. But hers obviously says maid of honor, and I got postcards and wrote letters on them. Don't mind my handwriting, it's obviously ugly. So yeah, I got them from Hobby Lobby. It was a pack of 12 for like $2.99, and then again I put their name on there using the Cricut, and then after that it's the box. So before we get into what's in the box, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your bell notification, because I will be posting a lot more wedding videos, and also I'll have a video of the brunch coming after this one. So yeah, just turn on your post notifications. So yeah, once you get into the box, I made them all burgundy shirts with gold writing. Obviously the colors of the wedding are burgundy and gold, but if you want to get specific, it's Merlot and gold, because I don't like that purple. I mean that purple burgundy. I like the Merlot, like the reddish burgundy. So yeah, so I put her name on there as well as her title. Each bridesmaid will have their name and then their title, which is bridesmaid under it, or hers would say matron of honors. But this one obviously is my maid of honors box, so I put her name and her title underneath it. Again, using my Cricut. I have an extra shirt if y'all need to see how I do iron-ons as well. They were regular $3.99, I believe, or something like that. And Hobby Lobby, I got these shirts from Hobby Lobby. They have them on sale 40% off each and every day, so you pay $2.49 for them. So if you are thinking about, you know, starting a t-shirt line or having to customize t-shirts, definitely get them from Hobby Lobby because you'll get them for like $2.49, unless you can find them cheaper somewhere. But this is like good quality. I want to say it's gilded, but yeah. So anyways, after that, I got these wine glasses. Got a pack of 12 for $10, and I also put the vinyl on it as well. It was kind of hard because of the curve of the cup, so that's why you see like little dents like that. But who's watching? Obviously you are. But anyway, so I put this on there. That was like creating this was very easy because I do have a creative brain. So yeah, if you want to see how I did the monogram with their name, just let me know below. And so inside, I thought it would be real cute to put a ring pop in them. I got 3 bags. Each came with 4 in them, and I believe they were like $3, $2.99 each. So I think I ended up paying like $12 altogether. But yeah, I thought it would be really cute to give them a ring pop because I'm basically asking them to be my bridesmaid. So I'm popping the question, and I'm obviously not about to get them real rings. So I thought getting each one of them a ring pop would be really cute. And I just stick it in the cup for space purposes in the box. And so after that, I have this Sutter Home wine Moscato. I got this one from Target, but you know, you can get it from Walmart. You can get it from Walmart, you can get it from Target, any liquor store, any gas station, really any store. Well, in Louisiana, you can get it from any store because we do sell alcohol all day, every day. But yeah, and I was doing some research, and they do sell them online, like one by one. But after doing my research, I found out that it was cheaper to just go to the store because in the store you can get a pack of 4, I believe. No, a pack of 6. No, a pack of 4. A pack of 4 for $6, and I ended up paying like $24, $25 altogether. But online, they're like $3.99 per bottle. So it's probably easier to just get them in the stores in the packs instead of trying to get them online. I mean, if you want to get the customized sticker, you can, but at this point I just was like over it and all the customizing and all the spending the money, and I just, because this is like the last thing I put in there, but after that I just was like whatever. So that's that. And then the last thing that they have in their box, I got these bracelets. Everybody's bracelets says Bride Tribe. Everybody's except for hers. Hers says Maid of Honor. I paid $1 each, so I paid $11 for 11 bracelets, and I got that from bridalclub.com. So I'm gonna leave the link, all the links below for literally everything that is in the box. But I'm not sure if the link for this will still be up because I bought it during a closeout sale because they are closing down. So I don't know, you know, by the time you watch this, or if you plan on having a wedding and this is like 2-3 years later, if they'll still be up and running. But you can definitely Google like Pinterest, Etsy and stuff like that, and find bracelets like this. But I looked up and got these for $1. These was also a last minute decision because I wasn't going to get them any bracelets at all. And I put them in these little treat bags that I also got from Hobby Lobby. And inside my Maid of Honors box and my Matron of Honors box, I put in a pop socket that I also customized using my Cricut with their initials. I figured that, you know, I could have put Maid of Honor, Matron of Honor, but I figured that it would be more convenient to just put their initials. And so far, I think I've been wearing this hair for about a week now. Saturday will make it a week. And so far, I am, y'all, I am in love with this hair. This hair is so bomb, like, bomb. So